All right, guys, welcome back. We can always find more news on Bitcoin, right? Especially bullish news. So that's what I did. I picked out some stories today, and I would like to go through them. So if we look at Bitcoin, the chart here, we can see that it's just been like consolidating up here. It hasn't been moving much. The same for ETH as of right now. But there is some news out there that I think is important. And one of those is Silmer, which they just added Bitcoin. They bought 40 million of Bitcoin. They're adding it to their strategy, basically doing the same as micro strategy, what they're doing. And we see this more often nowadays. These big companies, they like what they see with Bitcoin, and they add it to their portfolio and invest in it, which adds to scarcity and is, I would say, very good for us. And to anyone who doesn't know who Selmer is, they're not a small fish, basically. They got a market cap of 233 million. So yeah, moving on here, I'd like to talk about the Bitcoin ETF tracking, basically. And in this year, we have seen 237 Bitcoin a net inflow. And if that continues, by the end of this year, we might see 500K of inflows. And basically what that's going to do to the price is basically times it by 2. So we might land around 150 to 200K by the end of the year. And that is absolutely insane and very bullish news, I would say. So yeah, just keep it up, guys. But this is definitely probably the big institutions that are buying. Not to mention BlackRock. And we got BlackRock over here. And basically, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF just flipped Grayscale, and I've been keeping my eye on this for a while now because I knew it was going to happen. If we just look at it, it's been getting closer and closer. So it just flipped it up here, and that is very, very bullish news, I would say. And BlackRock has also been buying Bitcoin for its own fund. And that just, I mean, that's, I would say bullish, but it kind of points to that there's more, that BlackRock owns more Bitcoin than they're telling us, the public, which is probably the case and probably wouldn't be anything new. But besides that, the more the better, right? And then if we get to some of there's forming a bull flag pattern on Bitcoin's chart as we're speaking right now. So when you zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out, right? It's all going according to plan. So this is very nitty picky, but there is a bull flag that is forming. And that happens when there's a sharp rise in the price followed by a period of consolidation, which we are seeing right now. And just keep your eyes out for that. We might see a strong leg up. That's what I believe. And you can also see, for example, up here, perhaps the last moment that we see Bitcoin below 70K. So it's getting, the market's getting very heated, guys. And yeah, just keep the net inflows coming. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.